In this video, I want to show you how to fix in case you get the pre-collision assist not available in your Ford. This also applies in case you get the adaptive cruise control not available sensor blocked error. So let's start right away. Definitely worth checking in case you want to avoid going to the dealer. So the fix number one will be to clean the front radar and camera sensors. One of the most common reasons why you see this warning in your dash is a dirty or obstructed sensor. The system relies on the front-facing radar, usually located behind the front bumper, sometimes in the lower section of the grille, along with a camera behind the windshield near the rear view mirror. So if either of these components is blocked, the system may stop functioning properly. Start by giving both of these a thorough cleaning. Dirt, bugs, snow, ice, or other stuff like a heavy coat of wax on the front bumper can interfere with the radar. Likewise, condensation, smudges on the windshield can confuse the camera. So use a microfiber cloth or a gentle cleaner, no pressure washing or scrubbing hard, and it should go away. Many users on forums have reported that simply cleaning the sensor areas immediately cleared the warning without needing a visit to a mechanic. If you're in a region with winter weather or dusty roads, build-up can happen quickly and trigger the alert. After cleaning, restart the vehicle, drive for a short distance. If the warning disappears, you've likely solved the problem with the easiest fix possible. Now let's take a look at fix number two, which is to check for recent battery issues or low voltage. This is another common trigger for this warning. So the PCS relies on stable electrical signals from various sensor and control modules, and any power fluctuation can cause the system to temporarily shut down or throw an error. If your vehicle has had a dead battery or a battery replacement or even a jump start recently, that can be the cause. Sometimes the system just needs time to recalibrate after a power loss. In many cases, simply driving the car just a few minutes allows for the system to reset themselves and the warning light may disappear on its own. It's also a good idea to check if your battery health and the connections are stable. Make sure that the terminals are clean and tight, and if the battery is older, have it tested at an auto parts store. Weak batteries can cause random system malfunctions, especially in newer vehicles with sensitive electronics. The fix costs nothing, and it's worth checking early on. Many owners have reported that fresh or fully charged batteries resolve the issue without needing any parts or any visit to the dealer. And now let's jump right into tip number three, which is to restart the car or to disconnect the battery temporarily. So sometimes the pre-collision system malfunction warning is just a result of a glitch in the car electronics. A simple system reboot can often clear it. The easiest way to try is to simply turn off the car, wait at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then restart it. This gives the onboard computers a chance to reset and reinitialize the system. If that doesn't work, a more thorough method is to disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it like this, wait. This cuts the power to the vehicle electronics control modules, which can help reset any stock system, including the PCS. After reconnecting the terminal, make sure everything is secure, start the car, and allow it to idle a couple minutes while the system resyncs. Now there's many other solutions specific to certain Ford models. For example, if you have a Ford Mach-E, the electric SUV, well, replace the coaxial cable or realign the camera sensor. Some users, especially on the Mach-E, report that a faulty cable, often due to a shifting or heat, triggers intermittent faults. Dealer used a certain code, as you see on the screen, to replace the cable and recalibrate the camera, fixing the problem. If you have a Ford Bronco, resetting or replacing the BCM connector can solve the problem. One owner solved this problem by resetting the connector tree on the body control module, BCM. Owner suspected that it was a poor solder connection inside of the module, and yeah, he didn't have to spend any money to fix this issue. And finally, now there's a small error on this screen that you see down below. The title is not the right one, but what I meant is that several owners reported success after going to the dealer and the dealer performed a system recalibration. After doing that recalibration or reset, name it the way you want, you need to drive a bit. An owner said that after 8 miles, the warning completely disappeared for good. So this is something to consider if you still have the issue. The dealer may be able to assist you without having to replace any parts, just a simple reset. Before wrapping up, here's one more helpful tip. If the warning light stays on after trying every basic fixes, scan the car for trouble codes. Many auto parts stores like AutoZone or O'Reilly will do this for free. The scan can point directly to a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or other problems specific to your model. So save your time and guessings and go and test your car. Did I miss something? Please write a comment down below if I was able to solve your problem, or if you have any other tips that can help other Ford owners. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm sure many other people will be very grateful to read that. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.